So today we are going to talk about hypokalemia from my book The Resident Physician. Let us go and talk about it. This is the topic hypokalemia. The more detail of the chief complaint investigation all are here, but today we are going to talk about the treatment of hypokalemia. We do have a patient. The potassium serum potassium was 2. And then we started the treatment. The next potassium was 3, and another potassium was 3.1, and now another I confirm from the lab that is 4.5. So we'll be talking about the new K tablet, and we will also talk about the KCL, how we give the KCL. First of all, the normal value for the potassium is 3.5 to 5, and hypokalemia is when the potassium level is less than 3.5. For mild, we say 3 to 3.5, for moderate less than 3, and for severe less than 2.5. Now, if the patient is having mild hypokalemia, we just have to tell the patient to take the potassium-rich food, which are fruit juice and coconut water and low sodium diet. We will also advise the tablet, that is tablet New K 500 mg in TDS. If the patient having a severe hypokalemia, then we have to give the KCL in fluid form. This is KCL, 1 ampule of KCL. 1 ampule of KCL is equal to 25 millimole of potassium. This ampule in the 1000 liter of normal saline, and then we will give IV slowly. So let us talk about it. Injection KCL 2 ampule in 1 liter normal saline IV over 6 hours. So this 2 ampule we will put in 1 liter normal saline, and then we have to give it IV over 6 hours. So we have to know that how many drops per minute, that is IV at the rate 40 drops per minute. So how do we understand like in 6 hours it's becoming like 40 drops per minute? We will repeat serum electrolyte or serum potassium every 3 hourly. The 1 ampule of KCL is containing 25 MEq of potassium. So the 2 ampule will contain 50 MEq of potassium. Now the rate of potassium infusion is 10 MEq per hour. If we want to give the 2 ampule of potassium, then it's mean the 50 MEq we are going to give to the patient, but the rate will be 10 MEq per hour. It's mean we will give this most probably in 5 hours, but for the safety we will give we will complete this 50 MEq in 6 hours. Now we know 1 liter of this normal saline is going to be containing 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now 1 milliliter, how many drops are there in 1 milliliter? That is 15 to 20. So we'll multiply 1000 with 15, it will become 15,000 drops. Now this 15,000 drop we have to give in 6 hours. Now in 6 hours, 6 hours, there are how many minutes? 6 hours is equal to 360 minutes. These 15,000 drops we will give in 360 minutes. So just simply 15,000 divided by 360, it become 41 drops per minute. So the rate of infusion for this will be IV at the rate 40 drops per minute. So this 1 liter normal saline, which having 50 MEq of KCL, will be completed in 6 hours if we give it IV at the rate 40 drops per minute. Just put these 2 ampule of KCL in 1 liter normal saline and give it IV at the rate 40 drops per minute. So it will be completed in 6 hours. Now sometime you need to give the 3 ampule of KCL in 1 liter normal saline. For that you have to then now this is contains 75 MEq. Like if you are taking these 3 ampules, if you are taking 3 ampule of KCL, then as 1 ampule contain 25 MEq KCL, so the 3 ampule will contain 75. It's mean that now this 75 you have to give 10 MEq of potassium per hour. So 75 we will give it in 7.5 hours, or for safety we will give that we will complete this 3 ampule of KCL or 75 MEq KCL in 8 hours. Now as I said, the rate of infusion will be 10 to 15 MEq per hour of this KCL. Now this 75 MEq KCL we are giving it mixing it with 1 liter normal saline. As I said, 1 liter normal saline having 15,000 drops, and we should give it in 8 hours, because now we are giving 75 MEQ of KCl, so it will be 7.5 hour, most probably we will say 8 hour. So 8 hour is equal to 480 minutes. Now 15,000 divided by 480, it's become 31 drops per minute. It's mean that we will give 30 drops per minute. If you are giving 30 drops per minute, it's becoming 8, it will complete in 8 hours. Now, as I said, when you are giving the 3 ampule of KCl, when you are mix 3 ampule of KCl, now this normal saline will be having 75 MEQ of KCl. The 75 MEQ of KCl you have to give in 7.5 hour, or mostly we will say that we will give it in 8 hours. So if you want to give 1 liter of normal saline in 8 hours, you will how many drops you have to give in per minute? That is 30 drops, 30 drops per minute. Okay, so this is how we replace the potassium, and then you repeat the potassium every 1 to 3 hours, and as the potassium get normal, potassium will get normal with this KCl. Thank you.